Hello everyone and welcome to the Amazon FBA formula tutorial. In this specific course, we're going to go over what is Amazon FBA and what are the requirements for selling on Amazon fulfilled by Amazon. What is FBA and how does it work? Well, starting off, number one, you're going to send products to Amazon. These are going to be products that you source from a supplier online. Your supplier can be based in another country, or your supplier can be based in your own country, or it can even be products that you manufacture yourself. The way this differs from drop shipping is you are in full control of what inventory you sell, and you buy these products in bulk at a wholesale price before selling it on Amazon. Amazon drop shipping is when you're just drop shipping other people's products. Amazon FBA is much safer, and you're in full control of your brand and every single item that comes in and out of your warehouse. Number two, Amazon then stores your product in their warehouse. Number three, customers purchase from your Amazon store. Number four, Amazon then picks up the product from the warehouse. Number five, Amazon ships the product to your customer. This is a way to save a lot of time from having to ship out products if you're trying to get your brand on Amazon. Amazon will take care of everything from A to Z, from grabbing the product from their warehouse to shipping it to your customer and even handling returns. If a return does occur, Amazon will receive the item and deal with it with your customer and then make sure that you are able to get that product right back to you. This is how Amazon FBA works. What do you need for Amazon FBA? You're going to need a pro seller account, and this is so you can sell on Amazon. You're going to need a laptop or computer. It is very hard to do Amazon from your phone, so it is very recommended that you get a laptop or computer to work off of. You can be more organized, you can print labels off of there, and you could even make labels on there and handle your inventory much easier and quicker. Number three, starting inventory. In order to start on Amazon FBA, you at least need some starting inventory to start you off. You don't want to have an Amazon account with no inventory on it. That just means you're wasting money spent on your Seller Pro account. So make sure you at least have some inventory to start with to send to Amazon once you start your account. It is recommended that you find inventory first before opening up your Pro Seller account. And once you open your Pro Seller account, then you want to start sending inventory straight to Amazon. Number four, a bank account. You're going to need a bank account so that you can get your payouts sent to you through Amazon. You're also going to want a bank account to pay for any shipping labels that you have to create. You want to make sure these are separate from your personal finances. Number five, your license and social security.